Good morning, students. Now, this is the fourth lecture of second lesson of Science 1, classification of modern periodic table, or you can say classification of elements. So, this lecture is recorded by Bright Skills Educator. Let us see the lecture about the modern periodic table. Okay, students. Now, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the groups and electronic configuration. Now it is periods and electronic configuration. What are periods? Horizontal rows in a periodic table is called as periods. There are 7 periods and 2 series, lanthanide series and actinide series. Now period and electronic configuration. I am displaying here period 1. There are 2 elements in period 1, that is hydrogen and helium. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and atomic number of helium is 2. So electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1. That means 1 electron in its outermost orbit because they contain only one shell, and electronic configuration of helium is 2. As I told you earlier that if it elements of group period 1 has 1 cell, elements of period 2 has 2 cells, and element of period 3 has 3 cells, and so on. As we are moving down, extra cells are added in the elements. So here some elements of period 2. In the period 2, first element is lithium, second one is beryllium, third one is boron, then carbon, then nitrogen, then oxygen, then fluorine, and the last element of group period 2 is neon. See, atomic number of lithium is 3, atomic number of beryllium is 4, atomic number of boron is 5, atomic number of carbon is 6, and so on. See here carefully, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can say extra electrons are added if we are moving from left to right in a period. Electronic configurations of element. Lithium has 2, 1, beryllium has 2, 2, then boron has 2, 3, carbon has 2, 4, nitrogen has 2, 5, oxygen has 2, 6, fluorine has 2, 7, and finally neon has 2, 8. This is zero group element. So what characteristic we find here? If we are moving from left to right, see, number of electrons are added in the outermost cell. 1 electron here, then 2 electron in outermost cell, then 3 electron in outermost cell, then 4 electron, then 5 electron, then 6 electron, then 7 electron, then 8 electron. And next thing what we see, this is elements of period 2, and period 2 has 2 cells only. See, first orbit, second orbit, first orbit, second orbit, first, second, till last there are 2 cells only. So what characteristic we find here? In a period, if we move from left to right, extra electrons are added in a cell and number of cells are remain same. Number of cells in the period 1 is 1, number of cells in period 2 is 2, number of cells in period 3 is 3. Understood? And one more thing we find that, see here, atomic number is 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. Means atomic number increases from left to right by 1. As we are moving from left to right, atomic number is increases by 1. ठीक है ना? I hope you understood this. Again I am explaining, students. There are 7 periods in modern periodic table. There are 7 periods in the modern periodic table. In the first period, 1 cell is there. In the second period, 2 cells are there. In third period, 3 cells are there. If we are moving from left to right, extra electrons are added. That means atomic number increases by 1 if we move from left to right. Lithium has 3 atomic number, beryllium has 4, then boron 5, then carbon 6, nitrogen 7 and so on. And if we are moving from left to right, number of cells are remain same. Number of cells are remain same. And if we see carefully, moving from left to right, valency increases by 1. Valency increases by 1. See, valency of first element of second period is 1, then valency 2, then valency 3, then valency of carbon is 4. Students, see here carefully. Valency increases from 1 to 4. Valency is 1, here valency is 2, here valency is 3, here valency is 4, then its valency will be 3, because nitrogen is not going to lose 5 electrons. It is gaining 3 electrons to complete its octet. So valency of nitrogen is 3. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, then valency reduces from 3 to 1 and last element 0. Valency of this one is 1, beryllium is 2, boron is 3, carbon is 4, nitrogen is 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Valency of oxygen is 2, valency of fluorine is 1 and valency of neon is 0. Since it is inert gas, 0 group element, they don't take part in any reactions. They don't lose electron, neither gain electron. Understood that? See the details, every details are written here. So you can note down this one for your reference. Now this is periodic trends in the modern periodic table. I have explained you the periodic trends. Every details are explained you. So see the video carefully, and if you want to get it more, again you replay the video and note down all the details and prepare your self note.